Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and we are busy with the Christmas challenge. So what we are trying to achieve with this is saving as much money as possible to make Christmas as stressless as possible this year, if we can do that. Now, if you haven't started with the Christmas challenge yet, or you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link the video on top for you to have a look at, where you can get all your information that you need. If you've started the Christmas challenge with me so far, please comment below so that I can see where you are, where you're struggling, and if there's anything you'd like some advice on. So let's get started and see how I'm doing and find out a bit more. Now, with the Christmas challenge, it's really important to try and get the whole family to work as a team, because it's a lot easier when the family works as a team to save this money than you trying to save it on your own. So today we'll look at a few ideas how to get the little ones involved and how to work as a team to try and get all this money saved for Christmas. Now, getting the little ones involved in the Christmas challenge is really important because they are the ones that end up wasting the most money by making us spend unnecessary money. Now, if your kids are anything like mine, when you go to the shop, they see this, they see that, then they want to buy this, that, and you end up spending anything from £1, £5, or £10 per time when you go to the shops for stuff that's nice and shiny, squidgies and all sorts. When you get home, it just gets put down and it never gets played with. It just clutters up the house. Now, we want to get the kids involved with the money saving challenge. Now, a great way to do that is to create a money box where they can contribute as well. Now, they don't have to contribute out of their own pocket. The way I do it with my daughter is when we go to the shops and she didn't spend any money on the things she'd normally spend money on, when I get home, I'll give her the £2, £3 that she would have spent on that to add to the money box, so she feels like she's contributing as well, which is a great idea to teach them about money. Now, we don't want to spend money to create a money box, so I just have like T-Soul's granules that I've used. You can use the gravy ones. You can have a look at what have you got in your cupboard that you can turn into a money box, which is also a nice arts and crafts thing that you can do with your kids to get them involved in the saving for Christmas. Now, what we've done is we've changed it with Christmas paper that was left over from last year with some stickers, Christmas stickers as well, to get our Christmas savings box going. So this is where we've put in our money to save for Christmas. Now, it's a good idea to print off the Christmas challenge sheet with the one that you've decided is your Christmas challenge for the month, so that you can see where you are and how you're getting on. Now, we've got the £1,000 one. Now, we've ticked up the 3 weeks, which she helped me with. Now, on a Friday, basically, we calculate the money we've saved for the week and then decide which one is appropriate to tick off, because we have to tick off one every Friday. So it depends on how the week has gone, how much work we've had coming in, and how much money we've been able to save when we went out shopping. Now, we've got all the ones ticked there that she helped me with, and we've also calculated the money. So that gives you 110. So my daughter Cindy's going to help us with the counting of it. Okay, Cindy, so let's get started. We had a £20. So that's £2, sorry. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that is our first 20 saved. So we'll put that to one side. Then the next one was for 40. So how are you doing on the 41, Cindy?
5.
So that's 5, 10, 15. So that's 20. So we need another 20. Do we have a 20?
And a 20.
So we've got a 20. So that gives us our 40. So that gives us 60 so far. So we only need another 50. So what else do we have, Cindy?
20.
So that's 20,
And 20.
40, 150. So we've got our 110 for our 3-week challenge so far. So we only have another 23 weeks to go for our Christmas 1000. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you will know when I release my next video. If you have any other ideas you'd like to share, please comment below. If you have any topics requests or questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.